With OpenAI leading the game in the creation of the greatest language models right now, it's always exciting whenever they introduce newer and more advanced models. At the beginning of 2023, after several improvements to GPT-4, they revealed that a brand new model is in the making, GPT-5. The highly anticipated GPT-5 stands out as a remarkable language model, adept at crafting text that mirrors human quality, handling multilingual translations, producing various creative content types, and providing detailed and informative answers to your queries. But here's the question that everyone had in mind. Could this model perform better than humans? Let's find out. What is GPT-5? GPT-5, crafted by OpenAI, is a large language model that harnesses the capacity to absorb vast amounts of textual information, mastering the art of producing high-quality human-like text, diverse creative compositions, and delivering comprehensive informational responses to queries. Among all the other LLMs out there, GPT-5 emerges as one of the most advanced creations to date. Its development involves training on a large dataset, eclipsing its predecessor, GPT-3, by nearly 100-fold. This extensive training enables GPT-5 to reach remarkable milestones, showcasing its abilities in various domains. One of GPT-5's astounding feats lies in its ability to craft text that almost exactly mirrors human-written content. Its proficiency extends beyond mere mimicry, diving into the depths of generating text virtually indistinguishable from that crafted by human hands. What's more, GPT-5 shows a stellar capacity for language translation, outperforming its predecessors and achieving unparalleled accuracy in deciphering and translating languages, setting a new bar for machine translation systems. When it comes to its applications, the model can be used in various creative tasks, ranging from crafting poetic verses, codes, scripts, musical compositions, and emails to crafting eloquent letters. The language translation feature will also enable seamless communication across linguistic boundaries. GPT-5 also excels in question, answering, effortlessly tackling open-ended, challenging, or peculiar inquiries while providing informative and comprehensive responses. Its repertoire includes a knack for summarizing text, categorizing content, gauging sentiment, and delving into sophisticated question-answering tasks. While still in its developmental phase, GPT-5 has already proven itself through a host of impressive applications. Its contributions span crafting lifelike news articles, weaving captivating fictional narratives, and even composing harmonious tunes, showcasing its multifaceted capabilities across different creative domains. But what makes this model so capable? GPT-5's most advanced features. One of the most important improvements that set this model apart from GPT-4 lies in curbing hallucination, a phenomenon where AI generates outputs disconnected from reality. The aim is to reduce hallucination levels in GPT-5 to under 10%, effectively bolstering the reliability and trustworthiness of the model. In terms of progress, GPT-4 marked a significant stride in combating hallucination, outscoring GPT 3.5 by 40% in internally designed factual evaluations across 9 categories. Presently, GPT-4 stands at an 82% reduction in responding to inaccurate or prohibited content and inches closer to an 80% accuracy threshold across diverse categories. GPT-5 aims not only for innovation in capability, but also in efficiency. While GPT-4 boasts power, it comes with the downside of high costs and prolonged inference times. Improving on that, the upcoming model is expected to tackle these issues by emphasizing computational efficiency, striving to minimize model size while upholding output quality, resulting in a more economical and expedited operation. Contrary to the notion that bigger is always better, a recent report by CNBC underscored Google's Palm 2 model, trained on 340 billion parameters, as significantly smaller than GPT-4. Google advocates for research creativity as the linchpin to crafting exceptional models, emphasizing the importance of optimizing computational efficiency. What's more, the future iteration, GPT-5, foresees a shift toward a genuinely multimodal AI model, accommodating various data types like text, audio, images, videos, depth data, and temperature. This multifaceted capability creates a unified embedding space by linking diverse data streams from different modalities, unlocking a world of fresh opportunities for AI applications. In the broader spectrum, ongoing research explores applications for this multimodal AI. Meta's ImageBind amalgamates data from 6 modalities, hinting at the potential of immersive content for virtual reality. OpenAI, with foundational models in vision analysis and image generation like Clip and DALL-E, continues to delve into this burgeoning area, holding promise for future applications across various multimodalities with GPT-5's advent. Another compelling feature earmarked for GPT-5 is long-term memory support via an expanded context length, paving the way for AI characters capable of retaining personas and memories over extensive periods. With GPT-4's release, OpenAI ushered in a maximum context length of 32K tokens, witnessing rapid advancements from the standard 4K tokens. This augmentation is envisioned to facilitate AI characters retaining personas and memories over extended durations, allowing the loading of entire libraries of books and textual documents in a single context window. The implications of this long-term memory support span far and wide, extending to the creation of AI friends and characters capable of preserving memories over extended periods. It also offers the unique potential to load extensive libraries of literary works within a singular context window, opening doors to diverse AI applications. The release of GPT-5 promises a future where such feats may become a reality. But with so many features improving the performance of this model, people have started wondering what GPT-5 can't do. Can GPT-5 reach AGI? According to Siki Chen's Twitter update, the final stages of GPT-5's training were slated for completion in December 2023. While no updates have been brought to light so far, Chen hinted that OpenAI anticipates GPT-5 to reach AGI, sparking inevitable debates about its actual attainment of this milestone. The idea is that once AI achieves AGI, it would be akin to a human in comprehending complex concepts and executing tasks. If Chatgpt were to align with this upgrade, interacting with it might resemble conversing with an actual human. As we navigate this notion, contemplating the positives and negatives of Chatgpt reaching AGI becomes a captivating but ambiguous feat. Sam Altman's aspiration to craft AGI-aligned systems echoes the desire for AI to reach human-level cognitive capabilities. This thought has sparked discussions regarding GPT-5's potential progress. However, it's crucial to note that this notion lies largely in the world of speculation. As of now, there's no existing AGI model for a direct comparison with ChatGPT. OpenAI refrains from disclosing GPT-5's intricacies before the software update's official release, making it too early for detailed discussions or demonstrations. Despite these anticipations, the AI community largely agrees that genuine AGI remains a distant prospect, with forecasts suggesting its possible emergence not until at least 2032. The road to AGI is adorned with ethical issues, leading to calls for a pause in AI development beyond GPT-4. Concerns voiced in petitions by influential figures like Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak reflect the mounting apprehensions among governments and the public regarding advanced AI. The ongoing development of GPT-5 only amplifies the ethical debate. It emphasizes the need to weigh the potential revolutionary strides toward AGI against ethical considerations. The unfolding narrative of this technological leap remains a compelling story whose full ramifications will reveal themselves with time. Speculation aside, whether or not GPT-5 attains AGI, it's anticipated to offer superior functionalities compared to GPT-4, which in itself was a monumental upgrade for ChatGPT. The notion of AI superintelligence. Superintelligence represents a theoretical frontier in AI, envisioning a form of artificial intelligence capable of understanding and reasoning on par, or even exceeding, human cognitive levels. There's a camp of experts asserting that GPT-5 might harbor the seeds of such superintelligence within its learning and adaptive capacities, coupled with its large repository of text and code. They posit that this amalgamation could pave the way for GPT-5 to potentially transcend human cognitive abilities, which means that GPT-5 might not just resemble a human, but it might begin to function even better than a human. However, another faction of experts adopts a more cautious stance. They contend that GPT-5, despite its advancements, remains bound in its capabilities, raising doubts about its trajectory toward genuine superintelligence. These skeptics highlight a large number of grave risks inherent in the quest for superintelligence, including the potential for an AI to turn hostile or inadvertently trigger catastrophic outcomes, endangering the world. The discourse surrounding GPT-5's prospects as a prospective superintelligent AI continues to foster heated debate. However, amidst the debate, one thing is certain. GPT-5 stands as an impressive language model, brimming with several potential applications. Understanding the profound benefits and perils it poses is crucial, which would make it necessary to develop responsible strategies for its continued development and utilization. The transformative potential of GPT-5 in reshaping our daily lives remains a tantalizing prospect. Imagine personalized and captivating educational platforms, novel avenues for creative expression, and enhanced modes of interpersonal communication, all crafted through the abilities of GPT-5. This AI model holds the promise of revolutionizing how we learn, create, and interact with one another. But could it be better at things than us humans? Nobody knows yet. Let us know in the comments if you think that GPT-5 could replace humans in terms of cognitive abilities, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.